Hello, Namaskar and Adab to all my friends from your friend astrologer and guide Irfan once more with you from your very own channel Astro Assurance. Some of you who are celebrating the festival of Dussehra, my best wishes for you to have a safe and happy festival. And for some of who have been waiting for the transit of Jupiter into Aquarius, it is coming not too far away, just next month it is round the corner. And though Jupiter transited into Aquarius some time back, but because of the retrograde motion back into Capricorn, it's not been able to give the better results and the stable results from an Aquarius point of view, of which it is also the Karaka of. Now that Jupiter is moving more permanently into Aquarius, at least till the mid next year, before moving on to its own sign of Pisces, but being the Karaka of the 11th house, so Jupiter will give the results of the 11th house or the Aquarius sign almost throughout the year. Even when it moves into Pisces, it will carry the energy of the 11th house. So this is a good time for people who have a Jupiter in good placements in their horoscopes, and those who have been looking for a change because of this transit which Jupiter is going to do in November in the sign of Aquarius. So for all the ascendants, how this transit of Jupiter into Aquarius will play out, especially in lieu of Rahu and Ketu also making their transit into Aries and Libra respectively, sometime roughly around the same time when Jupiter makes its transit also next year. So there will be new results, new opportunities, new probabilities also coming in with one transit after the other which is going to happen. So surely these transits will bring about an opportunity of change and also moving forward in the tangent that you have been waiting for to move since some time surely. So let's jump into how for various signs the transit of Jupiter into Aquarius will play out, coupled with the transit of Rahu and Ketu also sometime next year. So let's start with the analysis for the transit of Jupiter in the month of November, on the 20th of November, into the sign of Aquarius. Now we know that for an Aries ascendant native, Jupiter gets exalted in the 4th house, and the 9th and the 12th house are its own signs, and it gets debilitated in the 10th house in Capricorn. So moving away from the 10th house, from the sign of career, into the 11th house of social network, social recognition, social responsibilities, a lot of people whose promotions have been tied up or growth has not happened, not just in terms of designation, but any growth has been held up or has been postponed, they will have a good opportunity and a good probability also of moving up in the social ladder because of Jupiter transiting into the 11th house in the sign of Aquarius. So those people who work for large organizations and who are connected to clientele, who are connected to larger clientele, they will find that they can get a move up in their career, a move up in societal recognition and benefit from society, which can also be connected to career, which can also be connected to business, but can also be connected to doing well in the matters of property. However, for some people there may be a change of location, change of residence also because of moving up in the social strata or moving up with respect to their careers as well. For some people who are looking at doing some higher degrees, higher qualifications, they also can get into a higher qualification opportunity and get admission into higher universities as well. Some people may also try and move to foreign lands, or if you are already in foreign lands, you may also get an opportunity of moving up or gaining employment. However, because Jupiter will be moving 12th from the 12th house, so one needs to be careful of what choices they make, and because Jupiter will be moving 3rd house from its Mul Trikona sign, hence people will also see that they will have to put in more hard work in the next year, starting from November 2021. Next year, March 2022, Rahu will be transiting into their Lagna and Ketu will be transiting into the 7th house. So an opportunity to move up in the social strata, an opportunity to move up in terms of rank, in terms of promotion will also be seen where Rahu moves into the Lagna, while Rahu also co-rules the sign of Aquarius along with Saturn. So basis where Jupiter is placed in your horoscope and where Saturn is placed in your horoscope, where Rahu is placed in your natal horoscope, birth horoscope, accordingly results will come by for a Aries ascendant native when Jupiter transits into Aquarius in November next month. For Taurus ascendant natives, Jupiter rules the 8th house and also the 11th house. However, Jupiter gets debilitated in the sign of Capricorn in the 9th house, whereas it gets exalted in the 3rd house in the sign of Cancer. So, Taurus ascendant natives will find that since Jupiter moves into the 10th house of career, their career will get a fillip. Those people who have just finished their higher degrees or some higher qualification or higher certification, and if their promotion, their growth has been held up or admissions into universities have been held up, then they will find it will get fillip. There will also be a movement up and they will find new job opportunities, new career opportunities as well, and they will also get leadership positions for some of you. Jupiter ruling the 11th house of gains and moving into the 10th house means some of your wishes and desires pertaining to careers, pertaining to your vocation, pertaining to your occupation, pertaining even to business can come by. However, because Jupiter also rules the 8th house and moves into the house of your career, 10th house of karma, so you will have to put in greater effort because of Jupiter going 3 houses from its Mool Trikona sign. You will have to put in a greater effort to be able to do well, to settle down quickly and to get the fruits of your labor. However, your efforts will bear fruit because the 3rd house of effort is where Jupiter also gets exalted in. Next year, March, when Rahu will be transiting over your 12th house and Ketu will be transiting into your 6th house, that may also bring about an opportunity of a change in job, change in service. And for some of you, you may also try to move to foreign lands. However, expenses may be a challenge for you because of Rahu moving into the 12th house. So be careful where you spend your monies, where you make your investments, because Saturn will continue to be in the 9th house roughly almost throughout the year, barring a couple of months, while Saturn also rules your 10th house. So be careful of your expenses, use the new opportunities well, use them to your advantage, put in a lot of hard work, and you will find that you may be able to get better fruits of your labor and do well in the next year, starting from November 2021 onwards till November 2022. Now for a Gemini ascendant native, Jupiter rules the 7th house of partnership, of marriage, of teamwork, and also the 10th house of career, and Jupiter will be transiting from your 8th house into the 9th house in the month of November. So Gemini ascendant natives will find that you will get an opportunity of doing better teamwork. Some of you may also get an opportunity of getting into new partnerships, and those people who have been thinking of solidifying their plans to get married, they may also get married next year, or at least they may consolidate their relationship if they have not thought about a more permanent, stable relationship so far. Because Jupiter will move into the 9th house, some people who are looking at higher certifications, higher qualifications, and students are looking at getting into higher universities or higher degrees, they may find an opportunity and they may also be able to do very well in the higher education. That will also be helpful because Jupiter rules the 10th house, so that qualification, that higher learning may also bear fruit for them when the time comes for them to use your qualification. Saturn, because it will remain more or less in the 8th house throughout the next year, barring a couple of months, so Saturn will also force one to work harder because Jupiter will be transiting into the sign of Aquarius, which is the Mool Trikona sign of Saturn. So as long as you put in hard work, you will find that the 2nd house of earning will also be benefited because Jupiter gets exalted in the sign of Cancer. So if you work hard and if you are ready to be consistent in your effort, then Gemini ascendant natives may find that they may be able to gain from the hard work that they do. Rahu will be transiting into the 11th house from the 12th house roughly next year March, and Ketu will be transiting into the 5th house So that will also bring in an opportunity for a job change or a career change for a lot of Gemini ascendant natives. So if you have been thinking of making a move, or if you have thinking that there is too much pressure at work and be thinking of moving away from there or even changing cities, then a good time will be coming, because Rahu will be moving into the 11th house of your wishes and desires coming true. Some of you may even move into larger organizations, and so there may be change of residence also which may come by, because of the career instigated move that one may do. So for Gemini ascendant natives, a good time, because Jupiter is moving into a trine house where it gathers a lot of natural strength and will be strengthening both teamwork, marital relationship as well as career. For Cancer ascendant natives, Jupiter rules the 6th house and Jupiter rules the 9th house, and Jupiter will be transiting from your 7th house into your 8th house. So here Jupiter will bring in new opportunities. However, Jupiter can also bring in new obstacles and challenges if so far you have not been able to put in the right efforts in the right direction. This is also because of 6th house being the Mool Trikona Rashi of Jupiter, and Jupiter being transiting over the Capricorn sign. So while some relief will surely come for Cancer ascendant natives because of Jupiter moving into the sign of Aquarius, however they will have to continue put in harder effort because of Jupiter going 3 houses from its Mool Trikona sign, and hence the harder effort that you put in, the better you will be able to overcome obstacles and challenges and issues, and better you will be able to gain from both your service as well as getting higher degrees, higher educational qualification. However, for those people who want to travel abroad for either admissions or with reference to work, you will find that you will gain better, because Jupiter gets exalted in the Lagna. So that period will also bring about an increase in stature, increasing of gains and newer opportunities connected to service, connected to work. For Cancer ascendant natives, Rahu will be transiting roughly March next year into the 10th house, while Ketu will be transiting into the 4th house. Rahu will bring about new opportunities in job and career, and so for a lot of Cancer ascendant natives, a different line, a different avenue altogether may open up, that which they may have not thought about earlier. So different industry may come about for them, a different kind of opportunity may also come by for them, connected to a career, connected to their vocation, and that may give a fillip to their career. Some unannounced or unseen circumstances may come by. This is because of both Rahu moving into the 10th house and Jupiter moving into the 8th house, which is also the house of suddenness and sudden events coming by. So overall, a good period for Cancer ascendant natives, as long as they are able to make use of the opportunities which Rahu will be bringing into the 10th house. However, Ketu transiting into the 4th house also means that relationships may come under some stress, because Ketu will be transiting over your 4th house and over the sign of Libra, and Jupiter gets debilitated in the sign of Capricorn from where it is moving into the 8th house, and Jupiter also rules the 6th house, which is the Dusthana. So Jupiter will be aspecting Ketu in the 4th house. However, if one is not careful, then unnecessary challenges, stress and issues may come by in the marital life. As long as one is able to control that, and Rahu moving into the 10th house may be a good year for Cancer ascendant natives who have been patient in the last 3 years. For Leo ascendant natives, Jupiter rules the 5th house and the 8th house, and Jupiter would be transiting from the 6th house into the 7th house. So ruling one trine house, especially the Mool Trikona Rashi of Sagittarius, and moving into the 7th house will be a good opportunity for Leo ascendant natives to push their luck. This is also because their luck has been held up in the last 2 to 3 years because of not so good transits of Jupiter, and moving away from the 6th house of hidden enemies, obstacle, challenges, and moving into the 7th house in the sign of Aquarius, new opportunities may come by for the Leo ascendant natives. However, They will do better if they are able to get into teamwork rather than those people who think they can go it alone. This is a good placement for those people who are business minded or want to do something of their own, start something of their own, because Jupiter rules the 5th house of doing what you like to do and what you love to do. However, because Jupiter also rules the 8th house, one has to be very careful what one indulges in, what new teamwork one gets into, or what new relationship one also gets into. This is also good placement of those who have been dating for some time or have known the person, the opposite gender whom they have been in a relationship for some time, of consolidating that relationship, getting into a stable relationship. So for a lot of Leo ascendant natives, either they may stabilize their relationship, some of them may have been proposed to their partners, some of them may even get tied into a marital relationship. Because Jupiter gets exalted in the 12th house, so a lot of people may even think of or going or traveling abroad, or a lot of people may even get opportunities in multinational companies or with foreign clients as well. However, next year March, Rahu will be transiting into their 9th house, while Ketu will be transiting over their 3rd house. Here Ketu may make them a little lackadaisical, a little procrastinating, while Rahu may give them opportunities of working in foreign countries, traveling abroad. Lot of long journeys may also happen, and for a lot of people they may even think of higher qualification, higher degrees, and maybe an unusual degree from what they have been connected to. They may do something more connected to their work rather than to the education. Lot of Leo ascendant natives may also get connected to foreign nationals and people from different cultures, and may also do very well both in terms of education or in terms of business or in terms of marital relationship. So a good, overall good year for Leo ascendant natives, as long as they work hard, they keep the head above their shoulders, and they identify the obstacles and challenges which may come their way through the year in 2022. For Virgo ascendant natives, Jupiter rules the 4th house as well as the 7th house. Jupiter would be transiting next month in November 2021 from their 5th house into the 6th house. This will be a very good placement for Virgo ascendant natives, especially those people who have been thinking of or have been trying to get into a stable job, stable career for a long time, and they have seen their vocation, their jobs, their careers being rocked for some time. This is especially because Jupiter has not been transiting since last 2 to 3 years over some good houses. Getting into the 6th house in the sign of Aquarius, for those people who are looking for a good break in a large organization, the wait is over for you. You may join good companies, large organizations, multinational companies, because Aquarius is the sign of largesse and also for social recognition. So a lot of people who have been wanting to join large organizations or take a break in good brands, that wish may come by, because Jupiter gets exalted in the 11th house in the sign of Cancer, and Aquarius has the 11th house energies. So a good opportunity surely for Virgo ascendant natives. However, they may have to move residence for some of the Virgo ascendant natives because of their career or a job. New opportunities will surely come by. Whether they take that opportunity or not is up to them. However, the opportunity will surely be there. It is for them to identify how the opportunity comes by to them. Because Jupiter also rules the 7th house, those people who have been in a relationship but however they have not been in a steady relationship, it is the time for them to make a decision. If they don't make a decision within the first few months of the year, then the relationship may either break, or the person may even move on from the relationship, thinking that the relationship is not serving them anymore. So for Virgo ascendant natives, surely from a relationship perspective, it is the time for them to make a decision either ways. If they take a decision to fructify the relationship, then they may even change the residence to set up a new home with their partners. Those people who have been wanting to do something of their own and do business, it's a good time for them to get into a new team, working with like-minded people and getting into a new job, a new opportunity as well for Virgo ascendant natives. For Virgo ascendant natives, Rahu will be transiting into the 8th house, and Ketu will be transiting into their 2nd house roughly March in 2022. Rahu may bring about sudden obstacles, sudden challenges, but also sudden opportunities from those avenues which the Virgo ascendant native may not have thought about earlier. However, because Ketu goes into the second house, one needs to be careful from one, the relationship perspective, and second, from the earning perspective, because Ketu is definitely a game changer. Ketu may either freeze up your funds, force you to break up your savings, or even create a new opportunity of starting afresh in a new job, in a new vocation. So be careful of what opportunities you take, how you identify those opportunities, and what organization you join, because definitely it is an excellent period, surely from a service point of view, from a career point of view, for the Virgo ascendant native. For a Libra ascendant native, Jupiter rules the third house of effort and the sixth house of service, of career, as well as health. And Jupiter will be transiting into the fifth house, into a trine house. So this is a good opportunity for Libra ascendant natives, where your effort will bear fruit for you because of Jupiter moving into the fifth house, of which it is also a Karaka of. So those people who have been planning to change a job, shift into a new job, shift into a new industry, for them that opportunity may come, their efforts may bear fruit for them. So if somebody who is a Libra ascendant native have been trying hard, have been putting in a lot of effort, then surely the time for fructification of the efforts has come because of Jupiter moving into a trine house. So because of their effort, new opportunities in their career, in their service may also come by, especially something that they like to do, because Jupiter is moving into the fifth house. However, it will be a slow and steady wins the race placement for Libra ascendant natives when Jupiter moves into the sign of Aquarius. Their careers may get a fillip because Jupiter gets exalted in the sign of Cancer, which is the 10th house, and Jupiter is going 8 places from the house of career, from the 10th house. So new opportunities may come by surely for Jupiter moving into the 5th house for Libra ascendant natives. However, one has to be careful how you identify that opportunity, how you identify the placement and the brand, because definitely career is going to get a fillip. However, next year somewhere March, Rahu will be transiting into your 7th house and Ketu will be transiting over your Lagna. So health can surely be of concern, as well as relationships may be a challenge for you. Some of you, because Jupiter moves away from your 4th house and in the 5th house, so be careful of what relationships you get into, because this could also be a make or break relationship for you, especially if this has not been steady for some time. If somebody has known somebody for only a few months or less than a year, then the relationship go through turmoils, ups and downs, till you either consolidate it or you let go of the relationship because of Ketu moving into the Lagna. As well as health may be of concern, because Jupiter rules the 6th house of health as well, and Ketu will be going into the Lagna and will be transiting and will be aspecting Jupiter in the 5th house. Rahu will bring an opportunity for new teamwork, getting into a new team, getting into a new organization, and getting even into a new relationship. So if somebody has been dating somebody who is outside of their caste, outside of their religion, outside even of their country, somebody who is very different from their social strata, then the relationship may be consolidated or a new relationship may also start up. So some people may also get an opportunity of a new relation starting even while the old still remains. So be careful not to be accused of infidelity here, and let go of one and get into the other one, especially if you are at the cusp of two relationships overlapping each other. For a Scorpio ascendant native, Jupiter rules the 2nd house and Jupiter rules the 5th house, and Jupiter would be transiting into your 4th house. So Jupiter is the ruler of the 2nd house getting into the 4th house. So this is surely a very strong opportunity, because Jupiter gets exalted in the 4th house, which has the original Cancer energy. So 2nd house getting connected to the 4th house, so assets can surely grow. New opportunity of earning more money, higher increment in terms of money and livelihood can come by for such a person. And this can also come by in a job of your choice, of your liking, because Jupiter also rules the 5th house of what you like to do, what you love to do. So money coming in, surely assets increasing. Those people who have been thinking of a new career or leaving or or doing something of their own, this is an excellent time for you to start something from your home itself. Especially those people who want to use the social media platform or be consultants, offer their services online from their homes or through home office, this is a great placement. This is also because Jupiter rules one trine house and Jupiter gets exalted in another trine house and moving into the Kendra house. So excellent position for them, for a lot of Scorpio ascendant natives to get high education, higher gains as well, high increments, and good chance of a good career as well, because Jupiter will be aspecting the 10th house. Rahu will be transiting sometime next year in March in the 6th house, of bringing new opportunities, of joining new organizations, new companies. However, Scorpio ascendant natives need to be careful because Rahu is moving into the 6th house of career. So if you don't identify the opportunity well, if you're not careful of what kind of opportunity is coming by you, and if you make a mistake, then you will have to contend with that mistake through the next year. So be careful of what you do and what opportunities you take up. This is also strong because Ketu will be moving into their 12th house, but in the sign of Libra. This is also strong placement of not being able to identify challenges in your relationship and the relationship breaking off. This could also be losing an opportunity to go abroad. If you have been planning to go abroad and waiting for the opportunity to go abroad, then be very careful of your documentation, of your planning and your preparation, because Ketu will give you that opportunity, but if you are not prepared, then that opportunity may be gone also from your hand. So be careful here when Rahu transits post March into your 6th house. However, overall an excellent year for Scorpio ascendant native when Jupiter transits into Aquarius next month in November 2021. For Sagittarius ascendant natives, Jupiter rules both the Lagna and the 4th house, and Jupiter would be transiting into your 3rd house. Now Jupiter would be moving from your 2nd house of income and livelihood into the 3rd house of effort, which means for those people whose livelihood has been held up, their savings have not been growing, and they have not been getting growth in terms of their careers and their jobs, then this will be a good opportunity for them to be able to increase in their status in society, increase in their status, increase in their designation also, and build more assets because of effort, which means the more effort that you put in, the harder you work, especially working closely with teams, then you may gain well in your efforts, and you may grow in your career. You may also grow in your designation and position. For some people who have been thinking of settling down, you may also find that you may settle down into a relationship. However, if your relationship has been going through challenges and issues, especially for those people who are married but they have not been careful in how they have taken the relationship forward, then it may also be a separation time, a long separation placement also, and for a few percentage of people even a breakup in the relationship may happen if they are not careful, because Jupiter gets debilitated in the sign of Capricorn in the 2nd house and moving into the 3rd house, which is the 12th house from the 4th house of domestic bliss. So be careful here. This is also important because next year somewhere in March, Rahu will be moving into the 5th house. The 5th house is the 8th house from the 10th house. So Rahu will bring new opportunities of speculative investments, but also new opportunities to be linked in a new romantic liaison, and through that, because of which the committed relationship may also come under a stress. So be careful of who you get associated with and what bearing it has over your domestic life. For those people who are strong consolidated relationship, the 5th house of change of job, change of opportunity may also be activated, which means the more effort that you put in, more gains may also come in, especially because Ketu will be transiting over your 11th house. So more social recognition may also come in. However, if you make a bad move, if you falter in your move where is respected to your career or your relationship or investments in a new opportunity, then you may also lose socially, and your money making opportunities may also be lost. So Sagittarius natives should be a little careful, because both your reputation may be at stake, your relationship may be at stake. However, your career surely will get a good strong fillip. New investments may also make you money and gains may come in. Some people may also find an addition to their family through childbirth or even adopting a child for a few people, small percentage of Sagittarius ascendant natives. For Capricorn ascendant natives, Jupiter rules the 12th house and Jupiter rules the 3rd house, and Jupiter will be transiting into your 2nd house after transiting for almost a year over your Lagna, where it gets debilitated. So an excellent placement for Capricorn ascendant natives, where through your hard work, if you have worked very hard in the last 1 to 2 years, then a good opportunity for higher increments, higher money making opportunities, high gains coming in, a fillip to your livelihood may also come in. Those people who have been thinking of going to foreign lands and settling abroad, surely a very good time for you to make the move, because 12th house is the Mool Trikona Rashi of Jupiter and moving into the 2nd house. So the more effort that you put in, because Jupiter is going 3 houses away from its Mool Trikona sign, so the more effort you put in, the more money will come in, more livelihood you will be able to seek, especially because Jupiter also rules the 3rd house of effort and will be going 3rd from its Mool Trikona sign. So the more effort that you put in, more opportunities of gaining and doing well also. There may be a lot of short journeys also, and a very good opportunity of making a mark and influencing others, especially those people who have been in writing or in media or in the social media. A very good move. At the same time, those people who have been working in multinational and large organization, also for them an excellent opportunity. However, the challenge may come in for this, for the Capricorn ascendant natives, when Rahu moves into your 4th house sometime in March next year, because Rahu will be moving into the 4th house of domestic bliss and your mental peace. So if you have been working too hard, not focusing on your domestic life, not focusing on your relationship, then there may be a challenge at home. And if there is no peace at home, and if you don't make the right moves, then career will be also at stake, because Ketu will be transiting into your 10th house in the sign of Libra. This means that you need to keep very good relationship with your supervisors, with your bosses at work, with your authority figures at work, and then Rahu may give you good opportunity of increasing asset, doing very well. But Rahu may also bring an opportunity of going abroad and even settling abroad, because Rahu will be transiting into your 4th house, and 12th Lord Jupiter will be moving into the 2nd house of income and livelihood. So good opportunity for people to go abroad, settle abroad, but good opportunity for people also to join foreign nationals of foreign multinational companies and to do very well. Some people, Jupiter may also get them to be consolidating their relationship, because Jupiter gets exalted in the 7th house and Cancer and will be moving into the 2nd house of family. So a lot of people may fructify the relationship, getting married or getting engaged or getting into a stable relationship surely. So good overall results for Capricorn ascendant natives of Jupiter transiting into Aquarius. For Aquarius ascendant natives, Jupiter rules the 11th house and Jupiter rules the 2nd house. Jupiter will be transiting from your 12th house into the Lagna, which means if you have been working very hard since the last 2 to 3 years, then this is the time for you to get your results fructified, your efforts fructified, because Jupiter will surely give you an opportunity of enhancing your status, enhancing your designation, getting promoted also, getting growth surely, because of which your money may also increase, because Jupiter also rules the 2nd house. For those people who have been under stress due to their high expenses through the last 2 to 3 years, so some relief is surely coming by to you because of increment in your jobs, increase in your job potential, and decrease also in your expenses. For those people who are in service, because Jupiter gets exalted in the sign of Cancer in the 6th house and Jupiter is moving into the Lagna, surely by joining a new service, by joining up a new opportunity, status will increase, your rank will increase, and your profitability will also increase. There will also be opportunities starting March next year when Rahu moves into your 3rd house, which means the Rahu may force you to work hard on new projects with new teams. However, Rahu will also give you an opportunity to do very well in your career. Those people who have been thinking of quitting your jobs and starting something new, Rahu will surely give you an opportunity because of moving into the 3rd house. And those people who have been in social media, online platforms, publications, printing, writing blogs, for them an excellent placement surely when Jupiter transits into your Lagna. However, for those people who have been thinking of getting higher qualification and higher degrees, especially connected to foreign lands, be careful of what universities you get enrolled in, because Ketu will be transiting into your 9th house. Because you may tie up with higher universities, even get higher qualification, but that may not bear much fruit for you for the next 2 to 3 years, because Ketu will be transiting over your 9th house. So be careful of what foreign degrees and qualifications you take up. Overall, excellent year for Aquarius ascendant natives. Jupiter transiting into the Lagna, surely ruling the 11th house and the 2nd house of income. And last but not the least, for Pisces ascendant natives, Jupiter rules two very important Kendra houses, the 10th house of career and also the Lagna. And Jupiter would be transiting away from the 11th house where it gets debilitated and into the 12th house where it also has natural Pisces energy. So for lot of people who are from the Pisces ascendant natives, you may find either opportunities to go abroad, settle abroad, do well abroad, or even get into multinational companies, because 10th Lord Jupiter is moving into the 12th house. However, Jupiter moving 3 signs away or 3 houses away from the Mool Trikona Rashi, which means a lot of hard work will have to be put in to do well either abroad or in multinational companies. Those people who are in healthcare services or armed forces or in IT, they may also do very well. However, your expenses may go up if you don't tie up your expenses strongly. For those people who have their own businesses, their own ventures, be careful of what more investments you make, because those investments may be tied up for some time and may not bear fruit for some time to come. So be careful of what businesses you get into. Those people who are thinking of changing their jobs, it's an excellent placement, because Jupiter rules the 5th house of the sign of Cancer here, and this 5th house is the 8th house from the 10th house of career, which also Jupiter rules. So an excellent time to make new moves, new changes also in your job, especially sometime March next year when Rahu will be moving into your 2nd house of higher income, increments, savings, livelihood, and Ketu moves into your 8th house. So Rahu will give you an opportunity of getting connected to foreign companies, foreign lands, new ventures, and surely Rahu will give a fillip to higher earning also. But be careful that only for a higher earning, don't join into wrong companies or wrong brands, because Jupiter is getting into the 12th house. So there is always a chance of getting into wrong companies, wrong opportunities, and also in losing your way. Ketu moving into the sign of Libra in the 8th house. So in your relationship, sudden challenges and sudden issues may also come by. So be careful of how you handle your relationship, because Saturn will continue to be in your 11th house of your wishes and desires while also ruling the 12th house. So if you are not careful, that in your relationship surely there will be a shake-up. Those people who are planning to move into a more solid, consolidated long-term relationship, it may be a good time for them. However, they will have to let go of some old threads before tying up new threads, and that is the placement of Jupiter in the sign of Aquarius through the next year in transit in the 12th house. So friends, now that we have seen how the transit of Jupiter into Aquarius next month in November 2021 is going to play out for all the zodiac signs, so please look at how Rahu, Ketu, Saturn and Jupiter place in your natal horoscope, and over which houses Jupiter is going to transit over when it moves into Aquarius and then on its journey into Pisces next year, and basis that formulate how the next year is going to play out for you, what opportunities may come by for you, what challenges may come by for you, what obstacles may come by for you, and accordingly plan your next year and your move forward in the next year. So friends, like this video, share this video, and if you're looking for a personal consultation from me, please reach out to me at the links given below. Until some other time with some other video, this is your friend astrologer and guide Irfan signing off.